Of hours you equally spent going after your faculty, asking them for that additional 1%. And it's been a pleasure for me as the chair over the past 6 years to have served you, to have worked with you. I see many faces here that I've had in my office several times. I'm very, very happy that we're actually doing this today.
I think I can say that with assurance that all of your faculty, as well as myself, think that you are the best generation ever to take care of that responsibility. You come at it with great education, great perseverance and will to excel, and a true, genuine desire to change. That is what your generation is about. To change everything that you see ahead of you that is not right. To go out there and make it a better world.
I know that the following steps are very scary, whether you'll be starting your entry-level jobs or pursuing your post-grad studies. But my advice for you all is to do whatever you want. Don't let other people fight for you. Take whichever path feels right. If you want to take a break, take it. If you want to start working, then do that. And if you want to just continue studying, then do that as well. Do whatever is right for you. This is your journey. Make your own path.
I'm proud that I am being honored today by my department, and I would like to thank all my doctors and faculty members that helped me throughout the 4 years.
We want to thank our professors in the department, especially Professor Nadine Said and Dr. Firas, because they helped me a lot in achieving these goals.
This class especially have gone through so many challenges throughout the past 4 years. They've done COVID with us, they've done dual delivery with us, they've been with us through the highs and lows, and we've seen them face to face, and they've come to us after we've done online with them, and they've told us, remember me, and I've bonded with so many, even though we met online.